What up, you guys? Tuning in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss. So I was sitting here, got off work a little early today, man. So I was like, what am I gonna eat today? And then I got to thinking. Catfish, gots to have it. So I went to the supermarket, got a couple fillets of catfish. Hey, they remember me by heart now. They know my name in the fish market, man. So a lot of you guys been recommending, hey, try in the egg. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and try in the egg today. So I beat up me a couple eggs, put it in there. I got my seafood bread over here, and I'm gonna just hit it with some Old Bay on both sides. So I'm gonna put in the egg first. Then I'm gonna bring it over here to the seafood bowl. And I'm gonna just repeat that process, man. Alright, and I got me some hot grease right here. Hey, here go the final product. I'm gonna just put me a little parsley on there, you guys, just so that, you know, it catches the kids' attention. So today we got a little cornbread. I'm not gonna be making no sandwich on a loaf of bread today, man. But hey, if I run out of cornbread, best believe I'm gonna make a loaf of bread sandwich. Thank you guys for tuning in with your boy, Southern Smoke Boss. Hey, happy holidays. Look forward to seeing you guys really soon. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.